Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, darling. Guess what we're doing today, darling? Yes, another makeup tutorial, because why not? Yes, darling. We have to keep a good face even if we are not going anywhere. Let me just turn my beautiful mirror light on. Yes, here we go. So today I'm gonna be doing a very simple look because I just got a new pencil that I wanna try. This purple pencil for NYX. The name is Violet Purple. It doesn't really have a name, so yes. Pencil from Gwrm. It's like a to do. So it has like a pencil wax in here, and it has like a diffuser. You call this smoky looks. Okay, so I'm gonna put my Hollywood filter on my face. I already put a little bit of moisturizer, so I'm just gonna put the Hollywood filter just to give me a little bit of a glow. Because I don't want to waste good product if I'm not gonna go anywhere, you know. Anyway, this I'm using shade number 3. This is a must. You should all get it. So I have a mirror right here. So how is everyone holding up, darling? Yes? Are you making good use of your time? I'm learning new techniques doing makeup, because why not? Something new that I've never done before. Even though I went to school for it, I just did it on in other students, but I never really got into it that much. And I'm just gonna go lightly on my receding hairline, like I always do. My cheeks. Again, I don't want to spend. I don't want to waste product if I'm not gonna be going out, so this is only for the tutorial. So you guys seen me before, yeah, doing this with the same products. So I'm gonna be using NARS Orgasm as a blush. Yes, it's gonna be looking pretty for my hubby and for the kitties and for the doggies. Yes, darling. You have to make the best of the situation, darling, because otherwise you're gonna be getting wrinkles all over the place. And we know, honey, no, me, no. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting some Charlotte Tilbury magic powder on medium, yes, to set the face. So I'm just gonna put just a tiny bit, darling, because this stuff is very expensive. And again, if I'm not going out anywhere, you know, just, yes, looking good. The face, it's set. Yes! Now, ta-ta-ta-ta! Yes, darling, I'm gonna be putting some primer on my eyes before I start doing the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using Soft Ochre from MAC. And I'm gonna be using my Murphy brush. Actually, it's not Murphy, it's Sephora brush. This is for concealer brush. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit on my eyelid, just to even out the color. Nice. Because I'm gonna be putting color under my eyes too. Okay, now the fun begins. So I'm just gonna hold the finger here and I'm just gonna go. Yes. Like that. Like that. It's all on the application, darling. A little bit more because I'm looking too washed out. Let me just adjust the light because I think these lights are too bright, so let me just lower them a little bit. Okay, we're back. I think it's a little bit better. Yes. You know, you have to be careful because I have these powerful lights, LED lights. Okay, so looking good. So now I'm gonna go into the, so I'm gonna try to do like what they all tell you to do. You have to follow from the corner of your eye to the corner of your eyebrow. So I'm just gonna put the pencil in here and I'm just gonna draw like a dot. So I know that's gonna be from that dot down, that's when I'm gonna be painting. You see? And then I just go from the corner of the eye inside, like that. You see? So you have it right over there. You see the mark that I made? So then I go from here like this, and then I just take it. You see? Then I just take this is how I discover this works better for me. And then I'm just gonna take like a flat brush like this. This is a more. It's to press the eyeshadow on your eyelid. So I'm just gonna go like this, and I'm gonna press it, but I'm gonna go this way. I don't wanna go this way because then it's gonna go down downwards. You always wanna press inwards. That's how you blend the eyeshadow. Patience, patience, and blend, blend, blend. Inwards. Again, because you want to blend inside, you don't want to create more lines. You see? Take the brush, don't go like this, go like this. I'm gonna be using a bronzer. This is from Giorgio Armani. I love this bronzer. How beautiful the color. So it's gonna make this is like for crease. Yes. And blend everything. Yeah, darling. Now I'm gonna take the black pencil that I got at the supermarket. Let me see if I can find it. Guys, I know my nails are atrocious. I'm gonna do them tonight. Beautiful. Just make sure you don't go out from the safety zone. Blend everything together. Okay, now I'm gonna put a highlighter. I'm gonna use a little bit from the Anastasia palette, Soft Glam. So I'm gonna look for a light color in here. Look at this beautiful color, darling. Beautiful, yes. I'll go for the peachy one. The flat top brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this peachy color, and I'm just gonna put it on. When you have hooded eyes, darling, you have to be very careful when you put the highlight. I'm only gonna put it right here. Look, and that's it. You don't want to accentuate all the leaves, the whole leaf, because then it's gonna push it down even more. So this is plenty. Okay, so I'm gonna go very carefully. I have to be careful because I tend to go too dark. I need to get my my part 2 of the microblading, guys, is coming. It was supposed to happen next week, but due to the events that are unfolding in the world, everything is on hold. So a little bit goes a long way. Yeah, darling. This eyebrow needs to be darkened way much more because I really have no hair here. It's just This is all microbladed. Yes, fabulous, darling. Looking fabulous for your husband and your pets. Yes! Okay. If you want to make it a little bit darker, you can use the gel too. I'm just gonna try a little bit on the places that I have hair. Mascara! You know, and I only put mascara on the upper lid. Looking bold, let me put you in so you can see the whole look. Yes! And I'm looking too shiny, darling. This light's still too powerful, but it is what it is. Okay, before the battery runs out, I'm just gonna add some of this gloss from Blood Loss collection, Jeffree Star. It's like holographic. And I usually set up the makeup, but I don't want to waste the product because I'm not gonna be going anywhere. What I want to do is I'm gonna try this with you guys. This is like the universal powder from Fenty Beauty. This is the best thing you can ever always take with you when you go outside to an event or something. If you want to matte all the places that are shiny, too shiny, it's like white, but it's in reality it's invisible. So you just, you know, tap tap tap. Look at this, darling, it's like magic, yes. Okay, darling, let's see, yes! Okay, my love, so I hope you're all staying safe, and guys, like I told you before, please subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about me. And I'm really like, I want to grow more, I want to give you guys more content, but I need also your help in telling all your friends, subscribe, send me ideas of the videos that you want me to make for you guys. Yeah, stay safe, until the next one, darling. Ta-ta!